In another crucial development related to the case, the Calcutta High Court is likely to hear a PIL filed by an activist seeking CBI investigation into the incident.
Well, this is coming at a time when the doctors are all up in arms. They have hit the streets in different parts of the country as the doctors who have been protesting across the country are seeking safety for their own and for the medical staff.
Doctors nationwide are out on streets protesting. We are here at All India Institute of Medical Sciences in National Capital, where the junior doctors have now walked out of their respective duties in various departments of All India Institute of Medical Sciences and protesting.
इसी हम ये इंसिडेंट को लास्ट अराउंड 60 आवर्स हो गए, 65 आवर्स हो गए, उसको हम लोग क्लियरली फॉलो कर रहे हैं एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन से, वहाँ की मीडिया से, वहाँ के रेजिडेंट डॉक्टर से, बट अभी तक का कोई कंक्लूसिव एविडेंस नहीं आया है। हमारी उसी चीज़ को देखते हुए आज हमने डिसाइड किया है कि एम्स में हम लोग एक स्ट्राइक के लिए जाएंगे।
We have Tapas joining us in the broadcast with more details. Tapas, a hearing in the court. On the other hand, on the streets, the students have decided to continue the protest.
Well, yes, of course, the students here in RG Medical College and Hospital, and along with all other medical college and hospital, the protest will continue. Here I can show you, this is the protest stage which have been built yesterday, but protesters are not present at the moment. They will be coming in at 9 a.m. and they will continue their protest. That's the emergency gate. You can see that's the emergency building which remains to be defunct. So as other OPD services. And today the bandobast here at RG Medical College remains to be very tight. If I can show you, the police is deployed in the entry gate of RG Medical College and Hospital. And people who are entering the hospital, their identity, their appointments are being thoroughly checked. And only after that they are being allowed inside the hospital. It is very obvious that the kind of protest that's going on since last couple of days, police doesn't want any kind of law and order situation to arise. So henceforth, the people, whoever are stepping inside the hospital, should be someone who is in need or who has a prior appointment. Otherwise, people are not allowed inside the hospital. But the students have made their demands very clear. Last evening, they had a general body meeting where they decided by 14th of August, all the other culprits who are involved in the crime must be arrested, and obviously Shondip Ghosh, who has been reappointed as the principal of Calcutta National Medical College, should be shunted out, and all security measures and apparatus should be in place to ensure safety and security for all the staffs, irrespective of the gender, especially the female staffs and doctors who work overnight in the hospital premises across West Bengal. So these are the points and these are the demands that the students have and the junior doctors, the protesting doctors have placed forward. Now it remains to be seen that in Calcutta High Court, on the other hand,
keep us updated as and when this PIL is taken up in front of the Calcutta High Court. Tapas, for the moment, thank you very much for joining in.